Mutual funds are a great way to diversify your portfolio. The ideal thing about mutual fund is their diversity. Investors looking for high risk, high reward potential earnings can invest in aggressive growth mutual funds. These mutual funds invest in smaller companies or newer sectors with lots of growth potential. जिन इन्वेस्टर्स को स्टेबल इनकम चाहिए वो उन म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं जो बॉन्ड्स जैसे एसेट्स में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। In this video, let's understand 5 different concepts about mutual funds. 1. Expense ratio. To operate a mutual fund takes money. The fund needs to meet expenses like administrative costs, analyst salaries and more. जब आप एक म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो आप फंड मैनेजर को एनुअल मेंटेनेंस फी पे करते हैं। दिस इज नोन एज द एक्सपेंस रेशियो। If a fund's expense ratio is 1% and you get annual returns of 15% from your investment, your actual returns will be 14%. The lower your expense ratio, the more of your investment return stays in your pocket. 2. Sharpe ratio. Sharpe ratio puts a fund's risk in the context of its higher returns. An investor can always choose low-risk investment option like fixed deposit or government bonds. The problem with these low-risk options are their lower returns. A Sharpe ratio helps you understand how much extra returns you get for each additional unit of risk. For example, a Sharpe ratio of 2.5% means you get 2.5% extra returns for every 1% extra. A higher Sharpe ratio is better, but it doesn't mean the fund is low risk. 3. Asset test ratio. An asset test ratio divides a fund's total assets by total liabilities. अगर एक म्यूचुअल फंड का एसेट टेस्ट रेशियो 1 से कम है तो ये एक वार्निंग साइन हो सकता है. It can mean a company is low on liquidity. 4. Blue chip fund. A blue chip fund will redirect most of your investments towards the stocks of established industry-leading companies. This will increase the likelihood of consistent returns. 5. Automatic reinvestment. Under automatic reinvestment, your capital gains and dividend gains will be redirected to buy additional units of the mutual fund. Thanks for watching.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.